welcome to MB Tutorials. In this video we're going to learn how to watch ICC World Cup 2019 live without using any software in your PC, laptop for free. So let's start. Subscribe to MB Tech Reviews and hit the bell icon. Open your browser and go to google.com and then simply type here watchquick.net. You can see here, and simply hit enter. Now you can see the first result here, or you can simply click the given link below and you will be directed to this site. This is the site where you can watch online matches. So West Indies versus Bangladesh match, you can click here and the match will progress here. When the match will start, it will appear here and you can watch the game live on your PC and laptop without using any software online. You can see here there are 4 channels. You can switch also channels if you like, and you can watch the match here also. When the match will appear, it will appear here. You can switch channel 3 also. So this much for today. Thanks for watching.